So let's learn about the past tense. Here we have 가다, it means to go. And so far, we learned only 가. Okay? We've seen this here. 나 오늘 학교 가. As we see here, to make infinitive in English, we put to in front of the verb. In Korean, we put 다 to the body of the verb. And here, the body is the 가. Okay? And so far, we only used the body part. Okay? When we talk in present tense, we don't use the infinitive form. Okay? Actually, we just remove that and we use just body to the present tense. And also, as we learned, can be the future as well. 나 내일 학교 가. So this becomes the future. And here we have new tense, the past. Okay? The 어제 means yesterday, and 갔어 means went. Okay? And how it forms is explained here. We take the body, which is 가, okay, and plus 쌍시옷 어. Okay? 쌍시옷 어. And this Korean letter, the name is 시옷, but this is double 시옷. Okay? So this one we call 쌍시옷. 쌍시옷. Here 쌍 means basically double. So it means double 시옷. Okay? 쌍시옷. So here the 쌍시옷 is the marker of the past tense. Whenever you hear or see is 쌍시옷 in verb's body, which is like that, here it becomes 갓. It means it's in the past tense. So here we have 갔어. So the first sentence, 나 어제 학교 갔어. Okay, so I went school yesterday. And now let's see some other example. Here we have new word, 타다. Okay, it means to take, to ride, to get on. Some means of transportation. As we see here, we have subway, 지하철 in Korean. By the way, this 지하 means underground. And here, 철 means iron. So basically, underground iron. The underground iron is subway in Korean. Okay. So this sentence is 나 오늘 지하철 타. Okay. I take subway today. Okay. And here, using this 타, we have 탔어. And 탔어, it's formed with this formula as we learned. Okay. 타 is the body, and plus 쌍시옷 어, and it becomes 탔어. And pronunciation is 탔어. 탔어. We write like this, 탓어, but when you pronounce, it becomes 탔어. Okay? We never pronounce 탓어. And if you try to pronounce this way, it's actually pretty hard. So this is a natural and easy way to pronounce 탔어. So the first example here is 나 어제 버스 탔어. Okay. I took bus yesterday. Okay. By the way, this bus basically it's a loaned word. Okay. As we see here, this is a bus. Well, we pronounce probably just like that. Bus. Bus. Yeah. We pronounce like this, but we write this way. Okay. And the second one, 기차 is train. 비행기 is airplane. Taxi. Okay. This is also pretty clear. It's also a loaned word. Okay. Taxi. And some other example here is 자전거. 자전거 means bicycle. 말 means horse. Okay. So let me just read it one by one. 나 어제 기차 탔어. 나 어제 비행기 탔어. Okay. 나 어제 택시 탔어. Okay. And 나 어제 자전거 탔어. And lastly, 나 어제 말 탔어. Okay. And we pronounce this way. 탔어. So we learned the past. So to make a past, we take 타 plus 쌍시옷 어. So for 타다, it becomes 탔어. And for 가다, it becomes 갔어. Okay? 갔어, 탔어. This is the past form. So that's it for today. We learned the past tense. And next time, let's learn something new. Thank you for the watching and see you next time.